In addition to well-known AI options like ChatGPT, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and DeepSeek, which you likely used or at least heard of, there are also many lesser-known AI models. These alternatives often perform certain tasks better, offer more features, and provide everything for free. In this video, we will discuss two free and open source options that you might find useful or at least want to try. Qwen is a free and open source AI. To use it, all you need to do is register by entering your email address and setting a password. After registration, in the main menu, you will see the most commonly used options. For most users, a significant aspect will be that there are no limitations on usage. As a free user, you can ask as many questions as you like and generate as many images and videos as you want. For example, if you want to create a photo, all you need to do is select the image generation option, enter a desired prompt of the image you want to generate, and specify dimensions you want the image to have. When the process is complete, if you are satisfied with the results, you can download the image in the full resolution by clicking the download button. If you are not satisfied, you can generate a new photo based on the same prompt by clicking the regenerate button. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until you get a result you like. Additionally, Qwen allows you to edit images. If you want to modify a detail in a photo you generated, or if you have your own images to edit, select the Image Edit option. Click the image icon in the bottom left corner and choose the photo you want to edit. For instance, I will upload the photo we created earlier and specify that I want the text removed from it. If you wish to continue editing the photo, click the Edit button and enter a new prompt detailing what exactly you want to change. Video generation works in the same manner. Click on the Video Generation option, enter the text describing the video you wish to create, define the dimensions, and wait for the process to finish. You may have noticed that there are no watermarks. This AI model does not leave any marks on the images and videos you create, so you can use them without restrictions. So you won't need to use any additional applications to remove watermarks. If you are into programming, there is a specific model designed just for that purpose. You can select it by clicking the drop-down menu in the section labeled Qwen 3 Max and then choosing the Qwen 3 Coder option from the list. In addition to solving specific programming problems, the program also offers options for those without programming knowledge, but who have a particular idea or a vision for an application. For example, if you want to create a website, you can choose the Web Dev option and describe the website you wish to create. Based on your description, a solution will be generated, providing you with both the code for the website and the visual representation of it. If you want to edit a particular segment, all you need to do is specify what you want to change. Of course, editing can also be done by modifying the code itself. The major advantage of this AI model is its ability to incorporate documents, images, videos, and audio files as a base for the conversation. You can, for example, upload a specific text document and then ask Qwen to provide you with a summary or extract a specific segment that is important to you, along with a detailed explanation. You can do the same with other files, such as selecting an image and asking Qwen to provide a text prompt based on that image, which you can use to generate similar photos. If you don't want to type prompts, the program also offers options for audio and video conversations. To activate this feature, click on the icon in the bottom right corner that represents sound and select one of the two options, voice chat or video chat. Since this AI model is open source, there is an option to install it on your computer and run it locally. You can find instructions for that on the official GitHub page. The second AI model we will discuss in this video is Lumo. Lumo is an AI model developed by Proton, a company I have mentioned several times before. This company is known for offering free options with all its products. All applications are open source and prioritize user privacy. When you visit the Lumo website, link will be in the video description, you will notice that the conversations aren't stored. Even the Proton company cannot access your conversations, as all of them are encrypted, making them unreadable by any third parties. You do not need to register to use this AI. Lumo can be used without Proton account. The only difference between registered and unregistered users is that registered users will have their conversations saved within their account. For free users, conversations are deleted as soon as they leave the website. Additionally, registered users have the ability to use files saved on Proton Drive as a basis for their conversations. Unregistered users lacking Proton Drive will not have this option. However, you can upload any files you want to use in a conversation for obtaining specific information or analysis by clicking the Upload button and selecting the Upload from Device option. Once your file is uploaded, simply enter your question or task in the prompt section and press Enter. For example, I will upload text document and then request Lumo to present the text in a tabular format. The program will then display the text, which you can copy or save as a document. If you want the latest information from the internet to be used when answering your questions, check the web search option. When you use this option, at the bottom of the generated text, you will see sources referenced when creating the answer to your question. If you wish to review the original text, simply click on this option. A segment will appear on the right side listing the websites referenced. You can access any of them with a simple click on the desired link. Although Lumo currently does not offer as many advanced features as the previously mentioned Qwen, for those who prefer applications focused on privacy, Lumo is likely the best AI option. Its approach to protecting user data makes it a good choice for anyone who wants a secure and private experience with AI technology. Feel free to leave any questions, suggestions or ideas for future video content in the comments. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.